Namaste. Today we will do remaining questions from exercise 5.3. In an AP, given A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50. Find N and Sn. Here from the given information, we can find N because here we have AN, A and D. And we know the equation AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And here AN is 50. So A 5 plus N we don't know. N minus 1 into D is 3. Now 5 taken to the side, 50 minus 5, 45 equal to, here we have N minus 1. This 3 is outside the bracket, taken to the side, it goes to denominator. 45 division 3 is 15 equal to N minus 1. Now keep the N here, take minus 1 to the side, it becomes 15 plus 1. 16 equal to N. Value of N is 16. Now we have to find sum, that is Sn. The equation is Sn equal to N by 2 into A plus AN. We have an equation like this. So Sn equal to N is, we already got N equal to 16. So N by 2 becomes 16 by 2 into A 5 plus AN is 50. Now 16 by 2 is 8 into 5 plus 50 is 55. 8 into 55 is the result, that is 440. Next question, A equal to 7, A 13 equal to 35. Find D and S13. Now this is AN. Here we have N equal to 13. A 13 means AN. And we know the equation AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And substituting the values A 30, 35. So instead of AN we will write 35 equal to A 7 plus N we know from here A 13, N equal to 13. So 13 minus 1 into D. Here it becomes 35 minus 7 is 28 equal to 13 minus 1 is 12 into D. Now take this 12 to the side. 28 division 12 equal to D. 28 by 12. We have common factor 2 in both denominator and numerator. So cutting with 2. 2 6s are 12 and here 14 2s are 28. Again dividing with 2, 3 2s are 6 and here 7 2s are 14. The value of D is 7 by 3. D equal to 7 by 3. Now we have to find S13 and the formula is N by 2 into A plus AN and here S13 equal to N is 13 division 2 into A 7 plus AN is 35. That is S13 equal to 13 division 2. 7 plus 35 is 42. Now in 2 and 42, because this is in denominator position and here it is in numerator, we have 2 as the common factor. 2 1s are 2. In 42, 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2. So S13 equal to 13 into 21. In the denominator we have 1, so don't want to consider it. 13 into 21, the result is 273. Next question, A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3. Find A and S12. From this we have, this is A12, that is AN, so N will be 12. So A12 equal to 37 equal to A plus, we don't know A, plus N minus 1, N is here 12. 12 minus 1 is 11 into D we have given 3. So 37 equal to A plus 11 into 3 is 33. Now take 33 to the side. 37 minus 33 equal to A, that is the value of A is 4. A equal to 4. Now find S12. N by 2 into A plus AN. That is S12 equal to 12 by 2 into A is here 4 plus AN is 37. S12 equal to 12 division 2 is 6. 37 plus 4 is 41. 41 into 6 is the answer. So S12 equal to 246. Next, A3 equal to 15. S10 equal to 125. find D and A10. So from this, N equal to 3. A3 is 15 means N equal to 3. From these, we have to find the value of D. Then only we can find A10. So first we will consider this one. So A3 equal to, so 15 equal to A plus, we don't know A, plus N is here 3, 3 minus 1 into D. That is 15 equal to A plus 2D. This is first equation. S10 is given. So we have another formula. This is first condition, that is to find AN. Now second condition, considering sum. If we are considering S10, here N equal to 10. So here N will be 10. Here N equal to 3. Because it is A3 and this is S10. Now S10, 125 equal to N by 2. That is 10 by 2 inside the bracket. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we don't know last term and first term. That is why we are considering that equation. If we know last and first term, we can use A plus AN. Now we are considering 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now here 2 into A, keep it there, plus N is here 10. 10 minus 1, 9. D, that is 10 division 2 is 5. 125 equal to 5 into 2A plus 9D. Next we can consider this 5 and take it to the other side of equal. It goes to denominator. 125 division 5 is 25 equal to, here we have 2A plus 9D. This is second equation. So first equation is 15 equal to A plus 2D. Second equation 25 equal to 2A plus 9D. Considering AN and SN, we got two equations. Now we want to apply elimination method to find the variable values. That is, we have to find A and D here. So first we have to make any of the coefficients same. Here we have A and here we have 2A. To make this 2A, we want to multiply the whole equation with 2. Then this equation becomes 2 into 15, 30 equal to 2 into A, 2A plus 2D into 2, 4D. Now we can eliminate this A. If you want to eliminate any of the variable, that coefficient must be same. So here with same signs, so we will subtract. Now this become addition and sign changes here. So this get eliminated. Plus 2A and minus 2A get cancelled. Here 25 plus minus 30 minus 5 equal to plus 9D minus 4D. The result is 5D. Now take this 5 to the side. Negative 5 division 5 equal to D. That is negative 1. Value of D. And our first equation was 15 equal to A plus 2D. And here we will apply this negative 1. That is 15 equal to A plus 2 into negative 1. This is 2D. So 2 into negative 1 is negative 2. 15 equal to A plus negative 2. Take this negative 2 to the side. It becomes 15 plus 2. And the value of A will be 17. Here we got D equal to negative 1. A equal to 17. Now we have to find, we already found D. Now we have to find A10. A10 equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We got A equal to 17. And D equal to negative 1. So we can apply A plus N minus 1 into D. That is 17 plus N minus 1 is 10 minus 1. That is 9 into D is negative 1. 17 plus 9 into negative 1, negative 9. 17 plus minus 9, that is 8. The value of A10 is 8. Next question. Given D equal to 5. S9 equal to 75. Find A and A9. Here S9, that is sum of n terms in an AP is given. We can consider that equation first. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here S9 is 75. Then n equal to 9. Here it is 9. So n equal to 9. 9 by 2 into 2A plus n is again 9, 9 minus 1, 8D. Here we know the value of D, that is 5. So 8 into 5 we can write here 40. Now we have 9 by 2 outside the bracket. We can take that to the side. So it goes to This 2 goes to numerator and 9 goes to denominator. That is 9 by 2's reciprocal equal to 2a plus 40. In 75 and 9 we have 3 as the common factor. 3 3s are 9. 3 into 25 is 75. Now 25 2s are 50 by 3 equal to 2a plus 40. In 2a and 40 we have 2 as a common factor. So this we can write as 50 division 3 equal to 2 taking outside from these two terms, 2 outside. So here balance will be a plus from this 40 you are taking factor 2 outside. So 2 into what is 40? 2 20s are 40. We can check it after opening this bracket. 2 into a, 2a, 2 into 20, 40. Now this 2 we can take it to this side because it is outside the bracket. So it goes to denominator. 50 by 3 into 2. This 2 going to denominator, it becomes like this. So here we have only a plus 20. Now 2 and 50, we have 2 as the common factor. 2 1s are 2, 2 25s are 50. Now take this 20 to the side, it becomes 25 by 3 minus 20 equal to a. Now we have to do cross multiplication. 25 1s are 25 minus 20 into 3. 60 whole division 3 1s are 3 equal to a. 25 minus 60, it becomes 25 plus minus 60, that is subtraction changes to addition and the sign of 60 changes, negative 60 by 3. 25 plus negative 60. So the value of a is, here in numerator we have negative 35. 25 plus minus 60 is negative 35 division 3. This is the value of a. So here we got a equal to negative 35 by 3. Now we have to find a9. So here n equal to 9 again. And now consider a equal to negative 35 by 3 and d equal to 5. We can apply in the formula. That is a9 equal to a plus. A is negative 35 by 3 plus n minus 1. 9 minus 1 into d is 5. So a9 equal to negative 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1, 8 into 5. This become 40. Here again cross multiply. a9 equal to negative 35 into 1, negative 35 plus 40 into 3, 120. Whole division 3 1s are 3. a9 equal to, here negative and positive, so subtract smaller number from bigger number and put the sign of bigger number, 85 by 3. The value of a9 is 85 by 3. Next, a equal to 2, d equal to 8, Sn equal to 90. Find n and an. Here first we will consider sum of n terms in an AP, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Sn, we don't know n, Sn equal to n by 2 here. 2 into a, that is 2 already in the equation and 2a. So 2 2s are 4 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. Sn we have 90, so 90 equal to n by 2 into 4 plus, we can open this 8. That is distribute 8 to these two, n and 1. So 8 into n plus 8n. 8 into negative 1 minus 8. Now this 2 is outside the bracket, so you can take it to this side of equal. It goes to numerator. 90 into 2, 180 equal to n into 4 plus 8n minus 8. In that 4 and minus 8 you can calculate, that is negative 4. So inside the bracket we have 8n and 4 plus negative 8 is negative 4. Now distribute this n to these two terms, that is 180 equal to 8n into n, 8n square minus n into 4, 4n. This is a quadratic equation. We can rearrange it. That is 8n square minus 4n. This 180 taken to that side, it becomes minus 180 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. From this, you have to do middle term splitting method. Then you will get the value of n. So you have already learned the middle term splitting method. Before that, we can change this to least form. That is, in 8, 4 and 180, we have 4 as the common factor. So 4 2s are 8, So 2n square minus here 4 ones are 4, so 1n minus in 140, while you divide by 4 you have 45 equal to 0. This is the least form of this quadratic equation. Now from this you have to do the middle term splitting method. You have to consider a and c. This is actually ax square plus bx plus c form. A and c means 2 and 45. 2 into 45 is 90. Now check the factors of 90 which is matching with this term. 90, 1 into 90, 90. But after operating 1 and 90, you will never get 1. Now next, 9 into 10 is 90. Yes. Operating 9 and 10, you will get negative 1. How will you get negative 1? Negative 10 plus 9 is negative 1. So you have to split like that. Negative 10 and plus 9. This becomes 2n square negative 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. Now next step is these two terms. In that take the common factor outside. Here in these two terms we have 2n common. Balance will be 1n here. Minus in 10n 2n is taken. So 5 will be inside the bracket. That is 2n into 5 10n. Now copy the bracket here n minus 5. Here we have to put a dash. Dash into n is 9n. 9 into n is 9n. That is plus 9 into n is plus 9n. Plus 9 into minus 5 minus 45 equal to 0. These I have already explained in detail in that chapter, that is solving quadratic equation. Please go through that. Now from these two terms we have bracket common. So n minus 5 taken outside. Here balance will be 2n. Here n minus 5 taken outside, balance will be plus 9 equal to 0. Now equate each of the term to 0. N minus 5 equal to 0, then n value is positive 5. 2n plus 9 equal to 0, then 2n equal to negative 9. N equal to negative 9 by 2. We got two values for n. So in this case, you don't want to consider a fraction or a negative value because number, n represent number and number will always be a positive integer. So we will consider n equal to 5. Here we got n equal to 5. Now next we have to find a(n). a5 equal to a plus n is here 5. 5 minus 1 into d is 8. a5 equal to 2 plus 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32 plus 2 34. a5 is 34. Next question. A equal to 8. an equal to 62 and Sn equal to 210. Find n and d. From this we will consider sum, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into, here we have a and an, so we will take that equation, that is a plus an. So it becomes 8 plus 62. Sn equal to n by 2 into 8 plus 62 is 70. Now Sn we know 210. So 210 equal to n by 2 into 70. Here in 2 and 70 we have 2 as the common factor. 2 ones are 2 and in 70 35 2s are 70. Now take this 35 to the side. It goes to denominator because this is in numerator. 210 division 35 equal to n. And here 5 is a factor. So 7 5s are 35 and here 5 4s are 20, balance 1 in 10, 5 2s are 10. In 42 and 7, again 7 is a factor, 7 1s are 7, 7 6s are 42. Value of n is 6. Now you have to find d. Here we have an equal to 62, so an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is an is 62 equal to a we know 8 plus n is 6. 6 minus 1 into d, that is 62 minus 8. This 8 is taken to the side. 62 minus 8, 54 equal to 6 minus 1 is 5d. Now value of d equal to 54. 5 taken to the side, it goes to denominator. 54 division 5. This is the value of d. Next question. an equal to 4, d equal to 2, Sn equal to negative 14. Find n and a. From the given information, we want to find n and a. We know an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 4 and a we don't know, a plus n minus 1 into d we know 2. So 4 equal to a plus, let us distribute this, 2n minus 2, 2 into n, 2n minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Now take this minus 2 to the side, it becomes 4 plus 2, that is 6 is equal to a plus 2n. This is first equation. Next we have sum of n terms, that is Sn equal to negative 14, and we know if a and an is given, then we can say Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Here Sn is negative 14 equal to n we don't know, n by 2 into a again we don't know, plus an is 4. Now we can take this 2 to the side because it is outside the bracket. Going to the side, it becomes numerator, that is negative 14 into 2, negative 28 equal to n into a plus 4. Now listen, here we have a. In the first equation we have an a. So from this you have to rewrite as a equal to form. That is, keep the a on one side of equal. We have 6 on other side. This 2n along with a is taken to the side and it becomes plus 2n becomes negative 2n. 6 minus 2n. A equal to 6 minus 2n. This is from equation 1. Now we can substitute this value of a in this equation. So this becomes negative 28 equal to n into, instead of a we will write 6 minus 2n plus 4. This is from this equation. Rearranging the first equation, you will get a equal to 6 minus 2n plus 4. Again negative 28 equal to n into 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 2n. Now you can distribute this n. Why we did this? Because here we have two variables. Here it is not only two variable, but here it becomes n into a is na. That means two variables are in one single term. And this become n into 4, 4n. If the equation is like that, you can't solve it by using the first equation. Because here it is a term na. Here we have only a and in another term we have n. Here an comes along in single term. You can't solve this. That is why we are rewriting this equation into single variable. That is, here we have only n variable. You are substituting value for a. And now it becomes negative 28 equal to n into 10, 10n minus 2n into n minus 2n square. N into n is n square. Now rearranging this, we have plus 2n square. If you are taking this to the side, plus 2n square minus 10n. We have already minus 28 on this part. So you will write minus 28 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in n. Now you can solve this by using middle term splitting method and you will get the value for n. This is the equation. We can reduce this equation to least form because all the term contains 2 as the factor. So dividing the whole equation with 2, it becomes n square minus 5n minus 28 division 2 is 14 equal to 0. This is the new least form of quadratic equation. Now this is A, this is B, this is C. You have to find A, C, that is 1 into 14, 14. And the factors are 1, 14, 2, 7. And to get 5, you can use this pair, that is 2 and 7. You need minus 5, so you can write it as minus 7 and plus 2. Then the result will be minus 5. So you will split it like that. N square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. Here in first two terms, we will take n as common factor. Then this become n minus 7. Write n minus 7 here. Dash into n is plus 2n. That is plus 2 into n is plus 2n. We can verify it with the last term. Plus 2 into minus 7 minus 14 equal to 0. Now this bracket is common in these two terms. Take that bracket outside. Here left is 1n and 1 plus 2 is the equal to 0. Now equate each term to 0. It becomes n minus 7 equal to 0. n equal to minus 7 going to that side, positive 7. Here n plus 2 equal to 0, then n equal to plus 2 going to the minus 2. We will consider the positive value because always number will be positive. N is representing number. So n equal to 7. Now we have n equal to 7 and one more equation we rewrite from first equation, that is first equation was a plus 2n equal to 6 and we rewrite it, that is a equal to 6 minus 2n. We can substitute the value of n in this equation so that you will get the value for a. That is a equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. 2 7s are 14. A equal to 6 minus 14. The result is this become addition and change the sign. Result is minus 8. So you got n equal to 7 and value of a is negative 8. Next question, a equal to 3, n equal to 8, s equal to 192. Find d. Here first term is given, n is given, sum is given. We have to find the d and we know Sn, that is sum, equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In that we will substitute these values, that is s is 192 equal to n is here 8 by 2 into a is 3 plus again 8 minus 1. N minus 1 is 8 minus 1, 7 into d. D we don't know. 192 equal to 8 by 2 is 4. Inside the bracket 3 2s are 6 plus 7d. Now take this 4 to the side. 192 division 4 equal to 6 plus 7d. 192 division 4. Cut this with 4, that is 4 1s are 4. Here 4 4s are 16, balance is 3 and 8 4s are 32. 48 by 1, 48. So we got 48 equal to 6 plus 7d. In that 6 we take to the side, it becomes minus 6 equal to 7d. 48 minus 6 is 42 equal to 7d. We need the value for d, so keep that d there itself. Now take the 7 along with d to the side of equal. So it goes to denominator, that is 42 division 7 equal to d. 42 division 7 is 7, 6s are 42. So the value of d is 6. Next question, L equal to 28, S equal to 144 and there are total 9 terms. That means n equal to 9. Find A. So we have an equation, that is S is equal to, here L means an, last term, and n is here 9. So we have an equation S is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. We will take that equation. S means 144 equal to 9 by 2 into a we don't know. We have to find it. And an is last term 28. Now this 2 you can take to this part because it is in denominator and outside the bracket. It becomes 144 into 2 by 9. 9 goes to denominator and 2 goes to numerator equal to a plus 28. Now in 144 and 9, 3 is a common factor. So 3 3s are 9. Here 3 4s are 12, balance 2 and 8 3s are 24. Again in 48 and 3, 3 is a common factor. 3 1s are 3. Here 1 3s are 3. Balance 1. This become 18. 6 3s are 18. So in numerator we have 16 into 2 and denominator we have 1. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 by 1 means 32. So 32 equal to a plus 28. We need the value of a. So take this 28 to the side. It becomes 32 minus 28 equal to a. 32 minus 28 is 4. So the value of a is 4.